Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever.
Let's see the find formula. Okay, it takes three parameters. The first is the find text. This is the text we want to find from the second parameter. That is the text we supply to this find formula. The third parameter is the starting number from where it will start searching the find text. Okay, so let's see with example. So equal to and find, so find text. So from A to Z, okay, let's find the value D, the text D, comma, within this comma from the first. Let's start from the first. Yeah, can you see 4 is D is at the fourth location. This is what the find formula gives us. So let's try with a small d. Let's see what it says. Small d. Okay, so 1 second, let me put the quote and then small d and say okay. So it gives an error. Okay, so this find formula is case sensitive. We need to give the proper case. It's in uppercase, hence we find that. Let's take that formula down, copy, paste to the down. So here it is giving error because D is not present in this one. So let's see, let's put some, say 5 is at 5th location, of course. So then copy the same formula down, paste. Here also it's giving error because 5 is not there in Microsoft Excel. Let's find the C, small c. So can you see C is present at 3rd location, MIC. Okay, but one more C is there in Excel, the second part. Let's change the starting point to say 5. From 5th location it will find the C. Can you see it is at 13th location.